Hello GP rating aspirants, welcome back to next lectures. In this lectures we will going to discuss about the different operations like knurling operations, thread cutting operations and grooving operations. So again I already taught to you about this lathe machines. Two movements of this tool post. First movement is longitudinal movement, that is parallel to this lathe, and second movement is cross movement with the help of this cross slide. Getting or not? First movement is the longitudinal movement and second movement is cross movement. Clear? And this is your chuck. Inside chuck जो are there and there is gap between, उसे वहां पर मैं क्या करूंगा, वर्कपीस को क्या करूंगा, फीड करूंगा, दैट इज इनसाइड द लाइफ सेंटर. नाउ
जीपी रेटिंग कोर्स तो कर लिया है लेकिन प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुआ है. प्लेसमेंट हो गया, आगे यार यूके से एग्जाम कैसे दूं, इंडिया से कैसे दूं, ये सब अगर डाउट्स हैं तो प्लीज़ ध्यान से सुनिए. जीपी रेटिंग अचीवर पैकेज इज अवेलेबल ऑन मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड प्लेटफॉर्म. ये आपको सिनर्जी का एग्जाम क्लियर कराएगा, आपको जॉब दिलवाएगा, एजेंट से बचवा सकता है. सेकेंडली, अगर आप यूके से एग्जाम देना चाह रहे हैं, इंडिया से एग्जाम देना चाह रहे हैं, तो हमारी ये कुछ फ्री सीरीज है जिनके लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, जो कि मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड पे अवेलेबल है. ये वीडियोस देखो, सारी जानकारी एक ही जगह मिलेगी. और हाँ, जल्दी हो सकता है हम आपके लिए लाइव क्लासेस भी लेकर आए ताकि आप ऑफिसर इंजीनियर इंडिया से ही बने. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.
नेक्स्ट, what is knurling operation? So knurling, it is an operation of obtaining a diamond shape on the workpiece. Diamond shape on the workpiece. So this operation is nothing but knurling for the gripping purpose. This is done to provide a better gripping. For better gripping purpose, again MCQ question. For better gripping, please write it down. Each and every point write करो. Exam जरूर निकलेगी. For better what? For better gripping, which process is followed? Knurling process. So it is an operation of obtaining a diamond shape on the workpiece for the gripping purpose. This is done to provide a better gripping surface when operated by hands. It is done using a knurling tool. So this is a knurling tool. ये क्या है? This is knurling tool. Clear? स्पेशल टूल होता है knurling tool. The tool consists of a set of hardened steel roller and it is held rigidly on the tool post. Knurling is done at the lowest speed available on a lathe. It is done on the handle and also in case of the ends of gauges. The feed varies from 1 to 2 mm per revolution. 1 to 2 mm per revolution. 2 or 3 cuts may be necessary to give the full impression. So this is all about knurling operation. Please इमेज को अच्छे से याद करनी है. Now thread cutting. What is thread cutting? Now again this image refers to the thread cutting. So it is the important operations on lathe to obtain the continuous helical grooves or threads. Threads, you know? Yes. So when the threads or helical grooves are formed on the out surface of the workpiece, it's called external cutting. So out surface is called external cutting. External thread cutting. Clear? This is the out surface. When the threads or helical grooves are formed on the inner surface, always remember, in inner surface it's called internal thread cutting. Clear? So first one is external thread cutting and first one is external thread cutting and second one is internal thread cutting. And this type of operation is possible through this thread cutting operations. Clear? The workpiece is rotating between the two centers, that is life center and dead center. So I already taught to you what is life center, which is rotating in nature. Dead center जो tail stalks में होता है. Clear or not? As on the lathe. So this is all about the thread cutting. Now what is grooving? It is the process of reducing the diameter of workpiece over a very narrow surface. It is done by groove tool. So this is groove. This one is groove tool. And this operation is nothing but grooving operation. So it's just the English term grooving. It is the process of reducing the diameter of workpiece over a very narrow surface. It is done by groove tool. So this is all about the different operations. So next lectures we are going to discuss about the forming operation. Stay tuned for further lectures. Thank you.